Today we're unboxing a lovely new beautiful Burberry crossbody bag. Let's dive in. We picked up this bag from the outlet, but it is a boutique item. So it's a very exciting purchase. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what a beautiful little staple. We're so excited to start using this bag. It is just the cutest little crossbody. It has the caviar black leather material with Burberry London, England. Of course, our classic Nova check. A smooth Burberry with the logo again. Inside, you can see where the strap connects. I believe you can take this off. Maybe not. All right, let's go ahead and take out our fillers. Some beautiful protective wear here. We'll take a look in there in a moment. So we have some card slots in here. Looks like 6 card slots. And then we have another card slot in the back, or not a card slot, but another little pouch, which I think those are for like your more important things, or just the extras that you don't want to lose. Then my favorite is that we have this zippered pouch right here. This is so helpful, right? How many times do we open up our bag and there are things that we don't want to lose, but it's all kind of in the mix. I think that's what that one's for. And then these are kind of the easy access, like a hotel room card or something like that. So overall, really great organization, but in case it wasn't enough, we also have another pouch on the back. This is perfect for your phone. They really thought of everything with this purse. Take a look at our tag so we know the item that we're working with. Retails for $9.10. And it's just a great little item. All right, and take a closer look at what the actual materials are. Made in Romania. I always love to know where my bags are made. And there you have it. And take a little look at the card that it comes with. This, I believe, is the authenticity or the warranty or whatnot. I always keep these product care in case I want to sell my bag later. I don't know why, but we're never going to look at this again. We're never going to use it. So either keep it in a drawer or maybe even just throw it in the back pocket of our purse and then forget about it. I love that it comes with this cute little dust bag. It's not like a big dust bag. It feels like it was tailor-made for this purse. So we can store it in there and just keep it clean. Let's go ahead and take off our protective wear so we can see this bag in full function. How does she slide off? Okay, so it is a full black pebbled, so it matches. And then there is that buckle right there. Let's get to that. I'm going to go ahead and take off our tag. Bear with me. And there we go. It is adjustable, although, minorly. I don't know, how else are you gonna carry this bag? I mean, you can loop it over, like loop it within here a few times and end up making it like a wristlet or a shorter, pocketbook. But there you have it. What a cutie. I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this bag on so you can see the full effect. So overall, here is the length without adjusting it. And you can check it out with this outfit that we paired it with. So we're wearing tan sweater, which we also review on this channel, and yellow shorts, which I think just goes so great with this color palette. I think it really brings out the tan of the Nova, and the black is just a beautiful contrast. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more.